fine. I'm only the sous chef.
ये कट कर देना.
I think it's a very underrated cuisine that really needs its moment.
इसको स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट मिल रहा है. I think she's a better cook for sure.
Oh my god, we got this on film.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to the first episode of What's on Home Chef's Sunday Table. Today we are meeting this lovely couple, Ipsita and Rahul is going to cook us some yummy Kashmiri food. So come let's find out what he's feeding us. Come.
Hi, I'm Ipsita,
And I'm Rahul.
and today for our Sunday lunch, we're making our version of.
Mutton yakni and was it salmon.
So these, in a sense, are the holy trinity of Kashmiri cooking: fennel or sauf powder, salt or ginger, dried ginger powder, and Kashmiri red chili, the not spicy variety, but amazing for color. So it's quite interesting that out of these three spices, so many different combinations of dishes can be made.
So Rahul, you said Vazul
Salmon.
Salmon is
Salmon. No,
salmon.
it's sa. You gotta.
So it's
It's not cha.
cha or tso.
It's not cha. It's not sa. It's somewhere in between.
Say it again.
Sa.
Salmon.
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 You're 99% there.
Salmon.
Yeah, salmon.
How do you Kashmiris land up making something as ordinary as paneer so poetic? Like it is poetic, like you know.
My
For us,
theory,
it's just paneer.
my theory is that it happens because of the weather. See, my theory is that if you go from north to south, your tongue and your mouth opens up when you speak in the languages because of cold. Now the oil is heated enough. We're gonna fry the paneer. Honestly,
Once a month, maybe.
once in a month, once in 2 months.
But we do eat whenever we travel to his parents' house, and I really enjoy Kashmiri food. I feel I lucked out on this aspect, and
Eye on Bengali. Kind of like fried, you see the char on the paneer, right? Now I am going to be just draining it a little bit and then dropping it in.
I think a lot of Indian communities have rice for all meals of
They would
the
have
day.
it for that same dish 3 times.
Yeah.
अगर घर में कुछ ऐसे सब्जी दिन में बन गई अलग से तो वो शाम को.
Same for Bengalis, like all
Yeah.
I've seen in my extended family, everybody having rice and going to work in the
Yeah.
morning. That's the first thing you did. Like when you woke up, you put the rice on the stove, and then dishes kept getting made throughout the day. So whatever's made, then you give that. So the boiled dal goes first without tadka because you've just boiled it. And just some veggies fried up. If the people have come back from the fish market by then, the small fish.
तो मे बी लंच में आपको फिश मिलेगा.
नहीं, already.
But if you see the wheat belt, those women on an average spend 30% more time in the kitchen.
There is
Absolutely.
research to show that women
Yeah.
from rice eating parts of the country have apparently got more emancipation because rice you can make it at one go and keep it.
So you have
Whereas
time
with
for-
roti, you have to do one. So you have to be present.
कि रोज अगर कोई पराठे बना रहा है 3 टाइम,
3
It's,
time.
it's
Yeah.
so much
पूरा
work.
दिन निकल गया
Laborious.
पराठे बनाने
It's so
में
much
यार.
work. Honestly, I am yet to find a part of India where we have been uncomfortable with the food, even if it's not what we've grown up eating. Because there's a lot of fun things that you can eat all over India, honestly. However, we do always come across a certain kind of Indian traveler wherever we go, whose way of bonding with you is to say, like they open the conversation with, यहाँ तो खाने की बहुत दिक्कत है. And they want to bond on that, and we refuse to do that because, I mean, it's kind of disrespectful to a place where people are going above and beyond to help you and to introduce you to their culture. And if you're so stuck on, I only want to eat what I eat every day at home, What's the point of traveling?
I think food is such a huge part of travel.
Yes.
Not just the places कि अरे हाँ मतलब एक eco point पे चले गए फोटो निकालने
Yeah.
वो travel नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
Of badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, some lavang, and some cinnamon, one cinnamon stick.
I was thinking कि gravy किससे बनेगी.
Just the
And then suddenly
masalas.
while he was stirring just the masala powders, and I was like, shit, this already looks like a gravy.
So that's the magic of soft powder. It is an amazing thickening agent that you can use.
What Pyaz does.
Yes. So that's why soft powder is added in more quantity to give that slight body to the
Understood.
curry. What I'm trying to achieve here is to get rid of the dahi-ness of this, and it should kind of run clear.
But it's supposed to be a thick gravy that just coats.
We will add
No.
some water later,
Abhi
but we're
isme-
just trying to develop the flavor and cook out the masala, because there's a lot of masala that's gone in. If you eat this now, it'll taste really
Bitter.
Yes. So I've added a little bit of water to the gravy. Not going to add any more for that little bit.
We need to add a little bit of water. So the first step to making mutton yakni is getting a nice mustard oil, adding it, and we gotta heat it till it smokes long. So there is another thing to this, that I've taken a specific cut, mostly the rib portion which is used in the yakni. And I used to feel that way when mom used to make it, that this is very complicated to make. It's
Yeah.
actually very simple.
Yeah.
It's not very
Hardly
complicated,
any ingredients.
right? And you've seen it, right? It's right in front of you.
I think it's interesting how cuisines kind of carry the flavor of where they come from, right? Like the conditions of a place. Kashmir is a cold valley, right? It's cold for many months of the year. So you're also working a lot with dried spices, you don't have much fresh produce. So it's a testament to the ingenuity of the people there as well, of how you've taken limited ingredients and made something very magical with it just by the permutations and combinations. So it's not, yeah, maybe it's like not ingredient heavy, but technique heavy for sure.
Now you see that the color has changed a little bit. No, just adding a little bit. I will adjust this later. Teaspoon of jeera powder. Okay. There is no particular order to this, by the way. Using half a teaspoon of ginger powder
So
or salt, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 right now.
of
Spoon.
the
Fennel powder or salt. Little bit of water.
How did you two meet?
how did we meet? Like
Bumble.
like all soulless millennials have been meeting in this generation on dating apps.
You guys are a dating app success story.
If you call marriage a success, then
Yes, we are.
I mean, that's one way of looking at it. We are not experts. See, we have not learned from parents or like following some particular. So everything is being cooked from memory, and therefore that's why we said our version.
Mom goes like she goes with like aankhon se. Little bit of ginger powder.
Ginger powder is really strong, so we always have to go
Take
less of it.
I'm gonna maybe take 1 and 2 of it. There are already 4 which I added there. And then इसका मैं थोड़ा इसका भी 2 ले लेता हूँ. Weekend dish. We used to have it like mutton would be once a week kind of affair.
I thought it's
Okay.
every day because when I go to his house, it's made every day.
Yeah, ये ना
You were getting special
इसको
treatment.
special treatment मिल रहा है.
And that was my thing. Oh my God, they have this stuff every day. This is amazing.
Indian cooking mostly base एक होता है अलग अलग base. Okay, like Marathi में there is वाटण.
Correct.
Like and you know the भोजन बाजार का सिंधी मटन जो आपने खाया उसमें एक caramelized onion का base होता है जो
Right.
सिंधी में उसको भुगल बोलते हैं.
Right.
Now वो भुगल you can make chicken also, mutton also, you can put a vegetable also in it.
Yeah.
So like that, I wanted to know कि Kashmiri cooking, so yakhni, I'm guessing that is one base,
It's
and
one
you could
base.
make like different things
So
in the
You
same.
can make. Traditionally, it's used for mutton only.
अच्छा.
But yeah, you can make paneer at best in that. They also make nadru.
अल यखनी होता है. अल
Lotus stem.
यखनी, नदरू
Lotus
यखनी
stem.
होता है. नदरू यखनी होता है. अल यखनी होता है. नदरू is of course lotus stem. Al is
Loki.
Loki.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's
So-
also made.
But the basic base, I mean, all these dishes use, by the way,
That's what I'm saying. So this is one base where you could either make nadru or
You
you
can-
can make
yes, yes.
mutton and stuff.
You can.
And then the next one is that Rogan Josh
The red
का
one.
The
base.
red one.
So उसका और ये जो आप पनीर बना रहे हो वो सेम है, similar.
Kind of, yes. Yeah.
So I mean, so that's like the second base.
That is another base, yes. But apart from being a base, it's also because it comes from meat. It's also related to a specific cut of meat
अच्छा.
and a particular braising technique. So a Rogan
समझ
Josh
गई.
meat cut. It's probably one of the most.
So Rogan Josh is more about the cooking style rather than what you're putting in it.
It's a combination,
Combination
of
of
both.
both.
It's the cooking style plus that gravy.
I think you need to also know that Rogan Josh means Rogan, which is
Oil.
oil, and Josh means the color. Or I'm getting it. We are getting it ulta.
No, Rogan is
Right.
oil.
Yeah. So the meat itself is fried very deeply in that gravy,
Acha.
right?
Huh.
And there is use of curd also in that, by
Okay.
the way.
Yeah.
By the way, now we have switched off the gas. We'll let it cool down, and then we will add the curd to it. Now we will open this. I'm just moving my this thing so that there is no curdling which happens. So we are just adding crushed zira. Sorry for the technique. I'm not doing gudka here. But yeah, we added the zira. Yeah, people are gonna say in the comments otherwise, ये गुटखा खाता है या फिर कुछ ऐसा करता है out of habit.
Okay. So is there a particular way of like eating this, like or anything like that?
No, not really. You take it, take the rice, take whatever you feel like.
Kari lo, rice lo, haath se khao, enjoy.
How
it.
enjoy it.
Important to eat heart rate. That's
Important to eat
not
outside for the
That's
real-
amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for doing this for us. I
Our
really
pleasure, our
appreciate.
pleasure.
I really appreciate you opening your home and like letting us in, seeing the process, just chit chatting with you too was so much fun. So, and now to the rest of the people, we are going to eat. So tada, bye bye. See you in the episode 2.